meet you. I'm Aristo again. Today I'm gonna be opening 142. I'm gonna open izuzu giga heavy construction machinery transporter. You can see in the back like this. So let's open it. The yellow excavator and the blue excavator has more, and these could drag something, and these also could drag, and these designs look nice, and they have izuzu, and this is made in Vietnam, and you could see how it could work like. So you could put these two onto right here, so that these excavators are very, and also there is 8 wheels right here, and they can drag something so that it could be, so the excavators could help the construction to get out. So let's move the car. Please like and subscribe to my videos. Thanks for watching my video.